Hello and welcome to Justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2016 Nissan Cabstar. It's a 2.5 DCI, 35.14 short wheelbase tipper in white. This particular vehicle had one owner. It's done 45,000 miles and got full service history with 2 services. It's got an MOT until July 2020. We've been doing these videos for quite a while now. The idea being that obviously the same as the person that's watching this today, you're busy, you've not got time to come and look at these vehicles to ensure it's the right one for you. So what we do is we'll do a proper in-depth walk around video. I'll show you everything on the vehicle, so if there's any marks or any scratches, any dents, you'll see them on the video today. I'll just show you around the vehicle, I'll show you the wheels and the tyres, I'll show you in the back of the body, I'll show you tipping up, I'll also show you inside, I'll also tip the body up and I'll show you the engine as well. So we're showing you absolutely everything you would see if you were here in person. I have driven the vehicle already, it drives really well, the gearbox is really good, push is nice as well, no issues to report. I am going to be recording the video in HD, so whatever way you get my words out, whatever you're watching it on, make sure that it's on the highest possible setting for this. Get comfortable, they're not short, but the upside of it is I don't miss anything, and obviously if I do, it's not purposeful. Okay, so we'll start with the front. As you can see, the windscreen's in good condition. I think the helicopter just to go above. It might not hear me for a second, but right? So you can't see, I can't see any cracks or anything on there. Let's have a look at the body. As you can see, there are no dents. With it being a rather large flat panel, I would expect that there'd be stone chips, but I can't see any, to be honest with you. There is actually one there. Seems a bit of a joke showing you that, to be honest with you, but it is. Let me zoom right in there, it's tiny. Can't see any others. We have actually got another one of these, and know that when you tip them, sometimes they catch just there, and it hasn't on this one. Okay, so front bumper is in fantastic condition, really clean. Let's have a look on the roof. Again, very clean. Sometimes you do see with these, they've had maybe lights mounted to them. Doesn't seem to be on that one. Let's have a look at the door. Nothing to report on that one. Let's have a look at the front wheel, which is the passenger side, near side front. As you can see, there is a lot of tread on the tyre. Wheels in good condition. See anything underneath? Everything looks to be in good order down there as well. So let's have a look down the side of the body. Obviously this one's got the toolbox there and your battery. The body's in good condition on the exterior. Obviously inside it's going to have a bit of a battering and bruising. That's just obviously the nature of the beast. Rear wheels and tyres, hopefully, as you can see from that, not new. However, there's plenty of tread on them. I would guess probably 4mm, maybe a little bit more. Same on the back one. Okay, let's work our way around. So this one's got a tow bar. It doesn't look to have been used, to be honest with you. You can usually tell because obviously of where the ball is. Back looks nice and tidy. Let's have a quick look inside. Not sure what it's been carrying, but while there is a little bit of surface rust on the back, there isn't any dents. So it would suggest that it's not carried something very heavy. I'll show you tipping in a minute. So the rear panels, side panels look smart, nice and clean. I think anyone will be happy with that, to be honest with you. There's nothing dodgy on it. Rear wheel and tyres, same as the other side today, plenty of tread on them, probably 4, maybe 5 mil. Chassis looks nice and clean. It's got a Scatolini tipping gear. Everything looks to be in good order. Tank's in good shape as well. So let's have a look at the driver's side cab. Got a little bit of paint missing there. It's tiny though, nothing serious. There's no dents, obvious dents anyway on the door. So matching tie to the other side, brand new by the look of it, or if it's not brand new, it's nearly new. So obviously lots of tread. Okay, so let's have a quick look inside. I can tell you that there are 2 keys. Excuse me. As you can see, 2 keys. So let's have a quick look inside. I'll start it up. Switch that off. With a quick preheat, fires into action, no problem, purrs away. So inside it's a 6-speed manual gearbox, as you can see. It's got a CD head unit with Bluetooth, so you can put your phone on there as well, and you've got dual controls up here, so you can answer your phone and hang up, and also you've got a separate volume button there with Bluetooth on the main unit. It's got FM, AM, and obviously CD as well. I couldn't tell you whether or not you could stream music, I've got to be honest, I don't know. What I can tell you is it's got an AUX input here and also USB, which kind of suggests that you probably could stream music through it. Then you've obviously got your normal controls for your heater. You've got what's it word? The word anti-skid, is it? Is that what it's called? So you can switch that off if you want to. And obviously you've got your door lock there as well, which works fine. You've got a top locker and a bottom locker and also a middle locker on these. So lots of cubby holes. There is driver side and passenger side cup holders, as you can see. Excuse me. Down here you've got extra controls. I'm not sure what they're for, to be honest. I think that's like a night heater, but I'm not 1000%. So the seats, as you can see, there's 3 seats you can have, or you can have the centre as an armrest. I can put that down and show you that. So you knock that down and you've got that as a centre armrest, and there's like an extra cubby hole in there if you want, or you obviously can have it as a seat. There's also extra cubby holes down the back of the seats as well, as you can see. Let's just put that back up. Passenger seats are very clean. Bolsters are nice and tight, they're firm, there's no apparent damage on there at all. It smells quite nice as well, there's no dodgy smells. I'm an ex-smoker, and you can always, as you can probably know if you're an ex-smoker yourself, you'll know that you can pick up an ex-smoke on smoke, and to me there doesn't smell like there's ever been any smoke in here, because it does linger obviously. Driver's seat's comfortable, no lumps, feels alright. It's got electric windows ×2, which work. Show the driver's side one. And that one's one touch, so you can go all the way up and all the way down. There's anything else to show you in there? Nice place to be. It's obviously got a key warning, so if you leave your key in the ignition it will tell you off. I'll just jump out. What I'm going to... Okay, so I've cocked the body up so you can have a quick look at the engine. Once I've done that, we'll get it back down. I'll start it up and then I'll show you the tipping gear working as well. As you can see, the engine is exceptionally clean. So it's obviously been well looked after, hence it's got full service history. So I'll go around the other side and show you that. Underneath. Okay, so I'll stop the video there. I'll just put the body back down, and then we'll show you the tipping gear. Okay, so as you can see, the body is back down, and I'm just going to show you the test of the tipper. So as you can see, there is a wand with it that you can control away from the vehicle for safety. We're about there, that's it, so that's full tilt. We'll just put that in there and we'll do a quick walk around. As you can see, when it's tipped, there is a warning beacon going off as well. Okay, so let's put this up. Just a bit of safety. So underneath, a spare wheel, which is new by the look of it. And the back of the engine, and then the back of the cab. Okay, so let's see it going back down. Okay, so as you can see, it comes down quite quickly. And that's that. So just switch that off. Okay, so hopefully you've seen everything that you need to, but obviously if you do have any questions in regards to the vehicle, if you want to know anything else specifically, all the contact details are at the end of the video. Please give us a shout. Also, if you're obviously interested in buying the vehicle, a small deposit will secure it, and obviously we can send you some bank details over and we can deliver if required. Also, if you're interested in finance, we do offer low rate finance options, and we just usually ask for a deposit which will cover the VAT, and then obviously we can go from there. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.